How to get sponsors on YouTube. Now, if you want to get sponsors on YouTube, you have to look outside of YouTube. YouTube doesn't provide you a button which is going to give you sponsors. Yes, you can get your channel monetized, turn on monetization, and YouTube is going to run ads on your video, and according to that, you're going to earn money. But for that, you need to turn on monetization, which means 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, or 1,000 subscribers and 10 million shorts views within 90 days. So those are the criteria you need to fulfill to get monetized. So you can run ads on your video to get money. But if you want to run like sponsors ad, you need to go find for sponsors yourself. Maybe you can approach a agency who searches for advertisement and gives you ad, and they pay you, but they take certain percentage from that ad as well. So you have to go for agency, or you just have to DM company individually by yourself. So you can ask, hey, would you like to sponsor my video? This is what I make, this, that. Okay, so these are all the criteria. So if you want to get sponsored on YouTube, either turn on monetization or go find for sponsors yourself. That's the simple way. Hope you understand. Subscribe to our channel.